This is the KEG Rambo nozzle. Its purpose, to open block lines. You know those call-outs you get in the middle of the night? We got to roll up on a problem. It's starting to become evident. It's running down the street, and you got to get that line open. This is the nozzle that you need for that job. I have jets in the rear to propel the nozzle up the line and remove any debris away. I've got 4 jets on this face that are angled outward. So I've got the jets doing this on the nozzle. In this front pin, you'll notice there are 3 jets. Those 3 jets are angled rearwards. So what's happening, I have these jets going forwards, these jets coming backwards, and what I call the work zone, which is right here on this nozzle, this area right here on this nozzle, you're going to find that this thing will shred and tear through whatever's in its way. The proper way to use this nozzle, send it down the line, plug it into the blockage, let it work, put the pressure to it and leave it there. It'll go through so fast your mind will be boggled.